So this is my Unit 11 commentary on my Blender file. So what I have here is basically my scene in a viewport render. So if I press this button on the right, I can move around and see the whole scene. I can move around and render bits. So I've got the textures on the ground, I've got the models that I made myself. I can play the animation itself. It will be laggy because the computer's not that powerful. But yeah, you get a general idea of what's going on. I can switch it to fully rendered mode, in which case it will take a minute to render, but it will render it as it will be in the final project. So up here where it's a sample, that will go up until it reaches 1000, then it will be fully rendered. All the lights are in, everything. I can hide the lights by clicking up here, and all the lights go away. You can just see the effect of the lights. If I click here, you can see all the things get highlighted, and I can edit things. This is the solid view, so this is how I would actually model things. So for example, I can click on show objects and then go into this and go into edit mode. I can then change anything I want about this, so if I want I can make this bigger, I can inset it, I can do all kinds of things. I can inset and then extrude out, make something really, really wacky, and then if I go back to the rendered view, it will be rendered. Also, the rendered view works just by moving around the scene normally. So yeah, that's pretty much the scene. I'm gonna undo those steps real quick actually. But yeah, the only other thing I can show is that for the skybox, or for the fog in the world, I used something called a principled volume shader. So this allows me to have volumetrics, so my computer will calculate how much fog should be in certain parts depending on the light source, as well as adding bits of planes to stop light from coming through from certain angles to make it seem like a lot more realistic. And then of course also have the background of the scene, so I have all of the buildings and the wires and everything, and then this is just some images which make up the back part of the background. Yeah, that's about it.